update on the trailer. Whoa. It's getting new framing on the ceiling. Whoa, the ceiling was sagging quite a bit. It's really nice in here now. So we're gonna have, you know, refrigerator there, sink over here. Let's see, little seat right in this area. That's gonna be, you know, just kind of a wall. And we'll have seating and a little table right over this way. Okay, we're gonna come through here. Got the bed, and television's gonna be on this wall. Then we've got the bathroom, just pretty much the same, with a closet. All right, that's it. To be continued over at Motivated RV in Dripping Springs. Bye.